Hello guys, today I'll be showing you guys how to get free US phone number for verification. um, Basically, most of the time when you need a phone number, you have to either go to an app and purchase a subscription, a monthly subscription, or a one-time payment for a one-time verification code. But here are some websites you can actually get a free phone number from. However, the phone number would not be yours. um, it is not a personal phone number, it is a public phone number. But all you basically need the phone number for is to verify whatever account you are creating or whatever platform you are using. So it is a public account, just like I said. Anyone will be able to see the messages sent to you. However, all you need is the code to verify. So once you've used it to verify, you might not need it again. So without wasting much of our time, I think I will just start reviewing the sites as it goes. So the first site is free SMS, receive SMS SS. So let's go to receive SMS SS. So this is the site, receive SMS online, temporal phone numbers from 50 plus country. Personally, I've used this site to verify multiple accounts. You can see here we have up to 4 US numbers. We have a Canadian number, a Germany number, up to 3 German numbers. As for the United Kingdom as well, we have multiples as well. Now let me just show you how to use the site. So let's start with the first one. You can see the number is written on it. You click on the number and you close the ads. Now sometimes it perform a Cloudflare verification, just like a reCAPTCHA, and then it takes you to the part where you can actually see messages that are incoming. Now you can see someone just got a code from Doc Hub, and that was 19 seconds ago. Another message 23 seconds ago was from Rename, and then another message is from Soyo 48 seconds ago. So you can see a lot of people are using it. You can see AeroPay verification 1 minute ago. Now, whatever it is you are verifying on this platform, you should make sure it is not something so personal. It is not something that is very sensitive. It helps, and this is not just a VIOP number, it is actual a residential number, which means this same number can pass for a local phone number. So it is not like those ones you buy via subscription, and it is not a virtual number, it is a local number, and that is why a lot of people uses it. It's not just because it is free, but it has an added value to it. So this is how you use receive smss.com. Now let's go to the next video. Let's go to the next site, which is The next site is temp SMSS. It is pretty similar to the previous site. It is the same concept, but different numbers and different platform. So you can see here we have 3 US number and then 188 UK number. Azerbaijan we have 3, we have Slovenia 85 numbers. And the good thing with this platform is you can actually get different country numbers. Tanzania we have 2, Australia we have 2, Canada we have 4, Denmark we have 1, France we have 1, Finland we have 69, Sweden 128. So you can see Belgium, Netherlands, and a country I've never heard of, Timor-Leste. So this platform provides you with free numbers from a lot of countries. So let's just click on the UK one and see how it goes. Of course, they have ads in the site because that's how they make their money. All you need to do is to bypass it or just close it. So here are the list of the UK number. Let's just pick one and move to the next step. So you can see a disclaimer saying this service does not support phishing, fraud, or illegal verification usage. Any misuse is strictly prohibited. We do not support the illegal use of temporary numbers. So of course it is always an advisory that you don't use these numbers for fraud whatsoever. So here are the details of the number. It is active, message received 38, and first message started July 2, and the last message received was 14 minutes ago. So all you need to do is to copy the number and paste in the site you need to verify a number from. So for you to gain access to this, you have to sign up with your email, your name, and your phone number. Don't worry if you're using a Nigerian phone number or any country's phone number. I just want you to have your personal phone number on the site to verify your identity and unlock the usage. So that is how you make use of it. Once you paste your once you paste the number in the site you want to verify, you come back to this place and reload to see your verification code. So that's how temp SMS works. So we're going to the third and the final one. So this is quack.io. Quack.io is the same thing or similar to the other number as well. It also requires you to sign up to use. You can also purchase a private number from Quack if you want to, if you feel like you enjoy your services. So it is similar to it. You get your phone number you want to use, you copy it, and then you paste to verify. Well, you need to be signed in to do this. So these are the three basic websites you can get free US numbers from. you can get free US numbers from, and they work pretty well. I've used they work pretty well. I've used all three of them and they worked for me. If you have other websites you think can be helpful to the community, you can drop it in the comment section. If you have any problem using this site, you can also drop your issues in the comment section and I will attend to you as soon as possible. If you feel the video it has been helpful to you, please like and subscribe.